Market experts accept Rndr could reach $4.87 by 2025. Bearish Rndr market cost expectation for 2023 is $1.11. The crypto world was worked as a protected organization to upgrade existing record-sharing innovations. Furthermore, pretty much every endeavor in the cryptographic money market has a remarkable element that separates it from the opposition. Numerous financial backers have developed more inquisitive about the normal exchanging value as a result of the crypto world's record-breaking exorbitant cost forecast and possible benefits. One such crypto is the Rndr token. Monetary councils suggest going through the information gathered from key and specialized investigations to make a drawn-out Rndr token cost forecast. There are certainly benefits to the crypto world. The organization gives prudent, adjustable money, calculated, and putting away choices as steady coins and dApps develop. The Rndr organization is changing the arrangement of advanced content by being the top provider of worldwide GPU-based delivering innovations. It will likely connection clients looking for delivering position with other people who have free GPUs to execute these Rndrs. Administrators connect the Rndr organization to their GPUs to get done with delivering projects utilizing OTOY. GPU proprietors can begin acquiring Rndr tokens when they've recorded their GPUs as hub administrators. On the Rndr organization, the GPU administrators deal with this by taking on tasks from creatives or individuals searching for delivering administrations, who transfer their resources and have administrators apportioned to them on the Rndr organization. The site gets a little part of the Rndr token disseminated to keep the organization running and help with exchanges. The resting GPU organization, the best delivering hardware, GPUs, has turned into a piece of each and every PC and cell phone. Notwithstanding, there are many defects in the current design. At the point when developers are not showing their work, most GPUs stay inert, which leaves a huge measure of undiscovered energy. A superior use for GPU power. GPUs are utilized in the affirmation mine to work out erratic number juggling issues to give the basic security and strength for their different cryptographic organizations. How mining, in any case, squanders GPU's maximum capacity and is naturally ineffectual. Rndr envisions extraordinary open doors in which our association is reinforced by the assignment for which GPUs are made. Acknowledging creative dreams. Advanced freedoms. The board makers can save and recover their manages a blockchain network and the Rndr organization's record of the exchange's stockpiling framework. Rndr current cost. Rndr is presently worth $1.39 USD. Rndr has moved 4.59% as of now with an exchanging volume of $210,399,323. Rndr is presently positioned 82 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $523,367,922 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Rndr to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Rndr market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Rndr value forecast 2023. Rndr, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Rndr cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $2.09. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.95 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Rndr is supposed to have a base worth of $1.67. Rndr value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Rndr cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Rndr will before long outperform $3.48. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Rndr's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Rndr will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.78 and a typical exchanging cost of $3.06. Rndr value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $4.87 and Rndr might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Rndr is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $4.45 and a low of $4.17 in 2025. Rndr Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Rndr effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Rndr coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Rndr will be green in 2026. The Rndr is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $6.26, with a base cost of $5.56 and a typical cost of $5.84. Rndr Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Rndr cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $7.23 by 2027, with a base cost of $6.95 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Rndr has a most extreme value worth of $7.65. Rndr Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $8.62. In the event that Rndr figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $9.04. Neglecting to accumulate the help Rndr needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $8.34. Rndr Value Forecast 2029. While Rndr is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $9.73 and a yearly cost close above $10.43 in 2029. Rndr Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Rndr will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $11.12 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $11.82, averaging out at $11.40. Rndr Value Expectation 2031 makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Rndr cost in 2031 is projected to be $13.63 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $13.07. And the Rndr token normal estimate cost can apiece befuddle. There is by all accounts no broad settlement on whether future Rndr market vacillations will be up or down. Numerous components, including declarations, new innovation progressions made by the Rndr token drives, the entire crypto world, legitimate standing, and so on, impact the possible development. What is the Rndr cost today? Today, Rndr is exchanging at $1.39 with a complete market capitalization of $523,367,922. Is Rndr a wise venture? Rndr ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. How high can Deliver go? Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Rndr might outperform $9.04. What amount will Deliver be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising fame of digital currency and Rndr, a drawn-out interest in Rndr could see the value ascend to $9.04 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Deliver be worth in 10